Hi everyone, welcome back to PR Learning Lab. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we are diving into the world of video editing with one of the industry's leading software tools, Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional video editing software developed by Adobe Systems and is part of the Adobe Creative Cloud suite. It's widely used by filmmakers, television broadcasters, YouTubers, and video enthusiasts around the world. But what makes it so special? Let's start with the basics. Adobe Premiere Pro is known for its powerful features that cater to both beginners and professionals. Whether you are editing a short YouTube video or a full-length feature film, Premiere Pro has the tools you need to bring your vision to life. When you first open Premiere Pro, you'll see the welcome screen, where you can start a new project or open an existing one. Projects in Premiere Pro are where all your editing magic happens. You import your media files, such as video clips, audio, and images, into your project to start working on them. One of the standout features of Premiere Pro is its intuitive user interface. It's designed to be highly customizable, allowing you to arrange panels and tools to suit your workflow. This means you can create a workspace that's perfect for your editing style. At the heart of Premiere Pro is the editing timeline. This is where you assemble your clips, add transitions, apply effects, and arrange your video in a linear fashion. The timeline is incredibly flexible, supporting multiple video and audio tracks, so you can layer your content for complex edits. Premiere Pro also excels in its support for a wide range of file formats. This means you can work with virtually any type of video file without worrying about compatibility issues. Plus, its integration with other Adobe products like After Effects, Photoshop, and Audition makes it a seamless part of any creative workflow. Adding effects and transitions in Premiere Pro is straightforward. The Effects panel offers a vast library of visual effects, audio effects, and transitions that you can drag and drop onto your clips. You can also fine-tune these effects using the Effect Controls panel. Color correction and grading are also major strengths of Premiere Pro. With its Lumetri color panel, you have powerful color correction tools right at your fingertips. You can adjust exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, and even apply cinematic color grades to give your video a professional look. The Lumetri color panel provides a range of color grading options, from basic adjustments to advanced color wheels and curves. This makes it easy to match the color of your shots, create specific moods, and enhance the overall visual appeal of your project. Another key feature is Premiere Pro's audio editing capabilities. The Essential Sound panel makes it easy to mix and enhance your audio, whether it's dialogue, music, or sound effects. You can quickly apply presets or manually adjust levels to ensure your audio sounds just right. The Essential Sound panel allows you to designate audio clips as dialogue, music, sound effects, or ambience, and then apply corresponding enhancements. This helps you achieve professional-sounding audio without needing to be an audio expert. Finally, exporting your finished project is simple with Premiere Pro. The Export Settings dialog offers a wide range of export formats and presets, making it easy to export your video for any platform, whether it's YouTube, Vimeo, or a high-definition broadcast. You can choose from various export presets tailored for different platforms, ensuring your video meets the necessary specifications. Plus, Premiere Pro's Media Encoder allows you to queue multiple projects for export, saving you valuable time. So, that's a quick overview of Adobe Premiere Pro. It's a powerful, versatile tool that's essential for any video editor, whether you are just starting out or you are a seasoned pro. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next. And remember, keep creating and stay inspired.